Alright, so now we are at extensive challenges question 1. It says that 4 teams are participating in a football tournament. Each team is playing against all other teams once each. Well, and 3 points were awarded for a win, 1 point for a draw, and 0 point for a loss. So now we know that each of them is going to play 3 games, right? Each of them is going to play 3 games, and there's going to be 6 games altogether. And now, we can see that whenever there is a winner, there's going to be a loser. And whenever there is a draw, there must be another person that is, like a draw must be involving 2 parties or 2 teams, right? So now we can just try to analyze the points given for the other 3 teams to see what's going to be the missing team. So first of all, if a team has got 5 points in 3 games, the only possibility is going to be 3 adding 1, which means that it has a win and 2 draws. And if a team is getting 1 point, the only possibility is 1 adding 0 in 3 games, which means that it has 1 draw and 2 losers. Finally, for a team that is having 6 points, it has to be 2 wins and a loss. It has to be 3 adding 0. So 2 wins and a lose. So, now we can see that the number of draws is equal to 3. Which is definitely not right. Because the number of draws happening has to be a multiple of 2. Because each draw is going to involve 2 teams, right? Remember that? So it means that for X, it will have 1 draw. Can it have 3 draws? No, that's not possible. Because not all the other 3 teams has a draw. So that's the reason why it can't have 3 draws, because it can't have 2 times drawing with the same team, right? So for the other 2, what's going to happen? We can see that now we have 3 wins, 3 losers, and 4 draws, which means that for the remaining, if I can't put any more draws, I would need to make the number of wins and losers the same. So that's going to be 1 win and 1 lose for the remaining 2 games. That's how we can strike a balance between the number of wins and losers, and also to make the number of draws an even number. Alright, so it means that X is getting 1 point for a draw, 3 points for a win, and 0 points for a lose. That's going to be 4 points altogether. Okay, so X is equal to 4. That's the answer to this question.